Today I want to show you how we can spell words with TCH or we can spell words CH, and they have the same sound. So first let's make the sound, right? We're going to say CH, chin, ch. Try it with me. Ch. One more time. Ch. So I want you to think about what your mouth is doing when you're saying the ch sound that can be spelled CH or TCH. So let's look at these lips, and then you can look at mine too. Ch, ch. Okay, I'm gonna make myself really big now. Ready? Ch. Do it with me. Ch. Okay, now I'll go back to regular size. Ch. That's the sound that we're making, right? So let's talk about words that start with ch. These words are going to be spelled CH. So if you have ch at the beginning of a word, it's going to be CH. What are these? Do you know? These are cherries. Kiss your brain if you got that one right. What's this? Sit in a chair. That's spelled with CH, the ch sound because it's at the beginning of a word. This is something I love to eat, and it is cheese. This is a chicken. Is it a rooster or a chicken? I don't know, but we're going to say it's a chicken. Ch, spelled CH. This actually, wait, no, this is way better to eat than cheese. This is called chocolate. Do you like chocolate too? Then we have CH words and we have TCH words, the same sound, remember? Ch. And we're going to think about if it's a long vowel sound or a short vowel sound. So remember, long vowel sounds, we're saying the name of the letter. A, E, I, O, U, right? Just like when we're singing the alphabet. Those are the long vowel sounds because they're really long. Like, let me show you with A. A. Hear how long they are? So you know long vowel sounds. Now let's look. This is a beach. Do you hear the E sound? E, B, E, ch. So when we hear this ch sound after a long vowel sound, the E, we spell it CH. Okay, let's do another one. What do I do? I teach. It's that same long E sound. Do you hear it? Teach. E. Okay, let's keep going. What is this boy doing? Same long E sound in this word. Reach. So we have a CH spelling. And another delicious food, but this time it ends in ch. This is a peach. Lots of these examples of the long E sound. Now, we can also have the short vowel sounds, right? And those are short. A, E, I, ah, If we have the short vowel sounds and then the ch sound, we're going to be spelling it TCH. So that's the spelling trick right there. What is this person doing? Do you like to? I love to do this. Stretch. Stretch again. Oh, we do it with me. When you stretch before the ch sound, we hear right? The short vowel sound. So we're going to spell it TCH. This is a watch. That's a tricky one, right? But it is spelled TCH. Even though it's spelled with an A, because after WA, right? If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. But it's the sound, so we spell it TCH, because is a short vowel sound. What is this boy doing? If I throw, he will catch. So when we break down the word catch, catch. So we know it's spelled TCH. And this person also he can scratch. Or we could also say he has an itch. Both of those are short vowel sounds. It's kind of cool. It's the same spelling and the same picture, right? Pretty awesome. Now we have all of these words. Oh, I'm on a pencil. I'm going to put myself over here. Here I am. Okay, so we have some words. Some of them are beginning words. Some are at the end of words, the ch sound. And what I want you to think about is if it's the long vowel sound for ch or the short vowel sound for ch, and that will tell us how to spell it, right? So let's start by looking at this first word. This says chicken. Well, this is kind of a tricky one, right? Because the CH is at the beginning of the word, the ch sound. So we know it's going to be spelled CH. Then we have this word, reach, reach. Before the CH is the long vowel sound, E, spelled EA. So we know it's going to be spelled CH. It's the long sound. Here's this long, long pencil. Now, here's another one where the CH is at the beginning of the word again, right? So we know it has to be spelled CH. CH is always the spelling for the beginning sounds. With rules with spelling, there might be exceptions, but this is a strategy that we can use. And then if there are other exceptions, we can always talk about those words later. Our next word is itch, itch. And I know that it is spelled TCH, it, because I see the short vowel sound, it, with the letter I. Our next word, chocolate, beginning, so we know it's going to be CH. Our next word, stretch, stretch, stretch. We saw that picture before, right? We saw all these pictures. We have eh, eh. That's the short vowel sound, right? Here it is. So we have eh, short vowel sound right here, and then it's spelled TCH because it's the eh. Each. I made a mistake. I did it 2 times. Whoops, already answered that one, right? And then we have watch, watch. This is that short vowel sound, but I was telling you before, right? It's spelled with an A. Wa ah. That's that short vowel sound. So that's how we know we spell it, TCH. So these spelling rules can be really helpful. You just think about if the vowel before it, the vowel sound before it is long or short, and you know that if it's the beginning, we're going to spell it CH. So that way you don't have to say, is this how it's spelled or not? You'll just know. So today we learned if we're going to spell words with the ch sound, TCH or CH, and the strategy that we use as we think about is the sound before the ch long or short, and that's how you can figure it out. Wowee, you did it. Amazing. See you soon.